What's up, everybody? It's Haley, and yeah, I know I am not on my usual channel, and today I'm with the person who created this channel, Nolani.
Hey, Haley, I think we should make the fire hydrant. Oh, you're already making it. Oh, shoot.
Well, guys,
That's just embarrassing.
We got the fire hydrant already, the plastic's on, and now we're gonna pour it in. Maybe, here, let me pour it.
Here, I'm gonna pour it in because it's mine.
Oh my gosh. Imagine it all fits.
Just imagine it does. It'd be so funny. Alright, and let's...
That's good.
Oh, keep on going. A little bit more.
Yeah, that's good. Right there's good. That's Nolani, it's gonna overflow.
And boom. Hoop.
Oh, this is good.
So this is also kind of like cake batter. Ah! Slimes, so these type of slimes feel sort of like cake batter when you mix them.
Nolani, look at that. It's so good.
Wait, let me see you can, oh my gosh. That is so cool. All right, look.
That right there is just a Ziploc bag holding it.
Yeah, and that.
It works so good.
And that black right there, that's like
the
rust.
tape?
It's the tape.
But it looks like rust.
Yeah, that would be so cool. That is so cool. And then we have a bit extra.
But that can just stay in there.
Yeah, that Haley.
So guys, now that it's been 5 minutes, we can show you the other slimes that have rested over the time, like Ocean Breeze. Ocean. Yeah, just Ocean.
Let's just call it Ocean Breeze because it's Ocean Breeze, but we named the stick Ocean.
Oh, jeez, the bead went flying out. It's very sticky.
Yeah, but we're gonna let it sit for
overnight.
Like
5 minutes.
Yeah, and let's check on our galaxy. This one I'm so excited about.
It's so thick.
You don't need the stick anymore. Look.
See?
Oh, it leaves a bit.
Oh, it's like a pearly.
It's like a
lavender.
Yeah, it's super galaxy though.
Yeah. At the bottom, oh my gosh! At the bottom, there's like tints of blue. Look at the bottom. There's like tints of blue.
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I was thinking maybe we could add some like blue and purple paint.
Well, then it's not gonna be clear.
But like a little bit, like light blues. Like since the Ocean Breeze is still clear, if you like look at it. Yeah, sort of. Just like the smallest bit though. So like
let's add a drop of it then.
Yeah, let's get a light blue. Let's get that.
Not brown.
Oh, yeah. You don't have black, do you?
No, I used to.
Do you have black of these tiny things?
No.
No. You don't have black at all?
No.
That is crazy.
Okay, I added a dot of that.
I'm gonna add a dot of the white. Wait. Unless there's anything. Oh, there. Look.
Just a drop. Oh, there it goes. There's the drop. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Get away from us.
All right, and we're gonna mix it in with our galaxy. All right.
I'm so excited. 1 sec.
Okay, you guys need to see this. This is so pretty. Oh yeah.
It's really dark, guys. Sorry.
You can see all the white, all the purple.
Stop mixing. Oh
my gosh. I think we're gonna leave it like that.
It's marbled. Oh my gosh.
That is so pretty.
Okay, yeah.
Keep on mixing?
No.
Let's just like make it
Okay, that's good. That's Nolani.
Right. It's gonna stay like that, and I think that is good. So we're gonna leave this. So we're gonna leave Ocean Breeze. Oh, we're gonna leave. Sorry. We're gonna leave Ocean Breeze out without the top on.
I think I'm gonna bring in one more container.
Yeah, so we can make another one. And guess what? So this one is so close to being done. So we're gonna leave this one to sit overnight without the top on. So this is the top for it. So we're gonna leave it over here to dry overnight. So galaxy, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for that one. And the fire hydrant. That is my favorite one.
I know exactly what color we're gonna make it.
So now we're making a grass.
A grass slime.
Oh, wait, go get another popsicle stick.
It's fine.
Just wait. We can mix it with something. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna add a bit. Oh wait, we don't have yellow, do we? We have yellow paint, don't we?
I have green paint.
You have green paint? Like a light green? Because that would be so cute, a light green.
I have mint green.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Wait, mint slime.
Mint slime. We're making mint.
It doesn't matter what color it turns out to be because we're adding paint.
Yeah. So we're just adding a whole bunch of...
Not a lot, but...
Yeah, we're making it to where, like, it's pretty and
it's thick.
And it's nice and thick so that it's ready sooner.
Wait,
so
I'm going to pop this.
I'm going to add a few drops of paint in here. And then a smiley face. And then there. Then that should turn it nice green. And that green was filled pretty good. And look, okay, so this is the fire hydrant slime after a long time. Look at this.
That one looks good.
Oh my
gosh, there's
I love
yours.
this slime.
Oh,
that's my favorite.
That's like a perfect amount, no lie.
So we're gonna name that mint, right?
Mint or grass?
I think mint.
Probably be better. No, grass, because it matches this.
Yeah, it's gonna be grass. And we're gonna put it with red, of course, because that's all we have right now.
Well, we can do it with like a pen.
True.
Or a marker that we have.
Do you want to put
a green marker?
Do you have a green marker?
Yes.
Oh, you have green Expo right here. Oh.
No, let's not use Expo.
Yeah, no. Let's do it like this. No, let's do that one. That one match. All right, I'm gonna label this.
No, do the other one.
Oh yeah. So then you can throw that one away, and this one will look fresh and pretty. I spell grass.
R-E-E-N.
N? Yeah, there you go. Green? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, just green.
All right, it's green, and we can put on the other side grass.
Green grass.
All right, how do you spell grass?
G-R-A-S-S.
That's how you're supposed to spell it.
It's so thick.
So now it says green grass.
Oh, sorry, I'm like in the frame.
It's fine. Oh my gosh, that is turning out so well. And now we just have to let that sit out.
You can you even tell the difference?
I don't know, not at all.
I can't.
Not really. Maybe we could add like a touch of blue and then it would match perfect.
Teal.
Oh yeah, but we already named it green grass.
It can still be green grass.
True. Just add a bit of teal. Just 2 dots.
A dot.
A dot. All right.
I get to mix.
All right, fine.
You've mixed all the others.
True.
That's still green.
You can't see it at all. Put a bit more. Just a bit more. That's good.
2 dots.
Yeah.
Oh, the blue's starting to come in.
Yeah, starting to. Then, oh my gosh, that is starting to look like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited.
Now it's really green grass.
All right. I'm gonna check on the galaxy slime.
Maybe we should have made a bigger batch.
Should we? If it's what you want.
Yeah, let's make it tiny.
All right, so I'm looking at galaxy right now. Oh. All right, can I finish mixing it?
Yeah, fine. I added a bunch more to where it's gonna be a bigger batch.
That looks so galaxy now. If we added that brown, that would look better.
No, it wouldn't.
Because
it turned brown.
No, it wouldn't. If you add like a dot brown, it would look a little bit more galaxy.
Well, then add it.
All right.
There we go, Nalani. Now it's a bigger batch. And now it's like a mint green.
Yay! Now it's
But we want it to be like more of a green.
like a grass.
Yeah. And then
there's a lot of the green, so we can add as much green.
Not too much to where it makes it stringy.
Yeah.
And then 2 dots of this.
Oh my gosh, look.
Nalani, you ready?
See, I told you.
Wait, guys, watch this.
I'm gonna make
Nalani,
it
can you?
Yeah, I'm holding it. Move your hand.
Here, let's go into over here.
Yeah. Sorry, the mess is a little bit of floor. Or the floor is a bit of a mess. And the mess is a little bit of the floor.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Wow, that is so good. I don't think we need...
There's like a stripe of blue.
That is so pretty.
I'm mixing it.
All right. So
you have paint on your phone.
I do?
Yeah.
Fudge.
Well, it's just on your case.
Oh yeah, it'll come off. Sorry. Oh,
this is so pretty. Look at that.
So
It matches this perfectly, Nalani.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look, that looks so pretty. I told you it wouldn't turn brown.
I thought it would, because one time I mixed like a bit of brown and it turned completely brown.
It turned completely. Was it like clear or something?
No.
What color was it?
It was like a bright green like this. I added a touch of brown because I wanted it to be a tiny bit darker.
Because green turns brown.
No, it wasn't green. I'm trying to think.
It?
It was like this bright, like a very dark blue. I was like, oh, I want it to be darker. I added like a dot of that, and it turned completely brown.
Well, probably because blue is one of the primary colors, and if you mix all the primary colors together, it makes brown. And if you add brown to a primary color, it'll be brown.
Well, I didn't even add a dot. Like it was coming, and I like dabbed it into there.
I don't care. Okay,
this is good.
This is
a Play-Doh container, and my brother lost the Play-Doh.
Oh, that is?
Yeah.
That's so funny. So we have this edible slime, but it's sort of sticky, and it's cherry flavored. We bought this from cherry scented and cherry flavored. We bought it from a store though. We didn't make this, so we can't tell you how to make it. Sorry, guys.
But if you do, just go to a store and may have this.
Probably at a gas station. It's probably at a gas station.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. This is a pretty, pretty color. Well, can you show them inside the light, please?
Mm-hmm. Here's my room.
It's starting to turn a little bit white. It's starting to turn a bit white, but
it's just because you've been mixing. You've been mixing. You've been mixing.
Okay, I know.
I think we should add a bit more purple.
Yeah, purple would make it purple and blue. Yes,
they're both over here. Let me add a touch of.
Oh, let's put it in the light.
I'm coming.
Let's add okay, that's good.
Lonnie.
I'm sorry. Wait, that's good. And
I'm just gonna. Kayla.
What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, look at that right now.
Ew. It's turning brown.
No, it's not.
Can I mix?
Wait. Oh, no, it's turning. Oh wait, no.
It's turning blue now.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna let it sit like that for a little.
Oh my gosh, this is a super pretty color now. Look at that.
Oh, it's like a violet.
Like a light blue violet.
Oh, we made a new color.
Like we made a new color.
No, we didn't.
No, we probably didn't. So I'm gonna actually see how my fire hydrant slime is doing in here. Oh my gosh,
I'm so scared.
Oh, wait, no. You guys need to see this. Okay, this is so satisfying. Oh, wait,
Here,
hold on.
let me hold it and then you light.
Wait.
Wait, listen. Ready?
All right. Here, hold it so I can do that. All right.
It looks so like bright. Oh my god! Look how it looks on camera. It's like so bright.
It's not really that bright, but
it's like red. It matches the container on camera.
It does. It does.
It's orange. Like in real life, it's orange.
Yeah, it's pretty much like a neon orange.